What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're on our way to Cars and Coffee right now. It's currently early Sunday morning. We're going to Potomac Cars and Coffee. It should be really good. And we are also testing out the new camera that I just bought for the channel. It's a Sony A7C. This thing, I'm absolutely loving it so far. The quality's amazing. It's super good in low light. I'm just really excited to go walk around, look at some cool cars, and test out the new camera. But yeah, I'll check back with you guys once we are there. Alright, you guys, we are here at Potomac Cars and Coffee. It starts at 9. I got here at 8:45 and it's already packed. So we are gonna walk around, look at some cars roll into, and see what's good. This thing is absolutely insane. Look at this. This thing was here last week. First time seeing one of these in person. It's crazy. Such a beautiful car. Look at this color. Look at this purple. I don't even know if you guys can catch it on camera, but it's like purple. It's super dark, but it looks amazing. A little close there.
Okay. So I'm sitting there, running low on gas, so I can run my grill on the...
I absolutely love this color that BMW has. And look, carbon fiber diffuser, little wing with this like orange color. So good. Look at this thing. So this looks like something off of Pimp My Ride. West Coast Customs. This thing is sweet. I saw this thing coming in and I had to come take a look at it. Absolutely dumped on air suspension. Alright, you guys, question of the day. Do you guys like the new M3 and M4 front end? Here it is. It's my first time ever seeing it in person. I don't really know how I feel about it. Maybe it'll grow on me. But comment down below if you guys like it. For my Subi fans watching, this thing is mint. This thing is beautiful. Wide body Evo. Look at that. Hood exit, exhaust. Super clean interior. Imagine all the people living and sending nudes. Beautiful. Not for real though, this thing is freaking perfect. Alright, you guys, that is it for the car show. Really good turnout. It was packed with a bunch of nice cars. Right now I'm about to leave. I'm about to go help out my friend because he actually ended up getting a brake leak on his way over here. So we're about to see what's up. He just did his brakes and stuff like that, so something's leaking. But I don't know what we're about to do for the rest of the day, but I did take some pictures. So if you guys want to stick around until the end of the video and check them out, be my guest. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and help my buddy out and see what's good with his car. Man, my guy got stranded out here in the rich neighborhood. Golly, look at these houses. Look at that. Alright, you guys, so this is Colton's car. I'm out of breath because I just got it up in the air. I'm out of shape. But he just recently did his brakes. And as you can see, we've got fluid leaking there. So one of the lines needs to be tightened up, but we also have to go to Advanced really quick to get some more brake fluid because basically drained everything out. But I think we've got hope. We should be able to get everything fixed up. Recently got his calipers powder coated white. It looks good on the BBS's. Obviously my man can't put brakes on right. I'm just kidding.
The brake line, man.
Alright you guys, so at first we thought that one of the brake lines was leaking. So we went ahead and tightened that. And then we filled that back up with brake fluid and we started to bleed the brakes after we turned the car on, and no luck. It was actually one of the bleeder valves on the other side of the caliper that was super freaking loose. So we just tightened that up, we gave it another try, and everything seems to be good to go. So yeah, look at all the brake fluid that leaked from under the car. Alright you guys, we fixed it. She's all good to go. Now we're at Reston Town Center about to get some food. But besides that, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. We're on our way to 10,000 subs. But yeah, all patched up, good to go. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.